Students come to Trinity College Dublin from all over the world. Some students come directly into their degree programme, and other students decide to participate in our International Foundation Programme, or IFP, as we often refer to it as.
Hello, my name is Jachike Ndilowe. I'm 18 from Nigeria and I'm currently studying at the IFP. Next year I'm going to study computer engineering at Trinity College, Dublin.
Hi, my name is Mine Ergül. I'm from Turkey and I'm going to study computer science and business in Trinity next year after the IFP program.
My name is Nazar. I'm from Ukraine and after IFP I'm going to study management science and information system studies.
My experience in the IFP program is really good. I made a lot of friends all around the world and they are very friendly and generous.
International Foundation program so far is so good. I like it a lot. There are a lot of people from different countries, so it's kind of fun to get to know them better, to get to know other cultures, and yeah, you develop yourself as a personality.
It's the best thing I could do as well, since I've never been to college before and I wanted to try and ease into it slowly.
Teachers and campus are fabulous so far. Every teacher wants to know that you understand everything. They want you to study better and they really help you. If you have any questions, they will help you with that.
They're really here to help you with everything.
The city itself, just like the general atmosphere, the architecture, the people are very friendly. I'm meeting so many new people that I wouldn't have met. There's never a boring time. There's always something to do, something to see.
I love the people, I love the teachers. I really enjoy living in Dublin.
Dublin is a great city with perfect nature. The people here are so nice, so you just like spending time here.